Go site. If you're new to Blockonomics, welcome aboard. We are a privacy-first crypto payment solution, no KYC or compliance headaches. We've got all the tools you need, and our support team is here 24/7. Now, let's dive into the tutorial. Imagine this. You got a merchandise page and someone spots a product they love, maybe a cool t-shirt. They click pay with Bitcoin and it takes them to the payment page. So the customer fills in the information that's put up on the form, and then he clicks on pay with Bitcoin. Once he does that, he'd be given the Bitcoin address and the amount that has to be sent. We're going to see how to implement that. Head over to Blockonomics, sign up with your email address and create a password. Or if you prefer the easiest way, just go ahead and sign up using your Google account. Head over to Blockonomics dashboard. You'll see the wallet tab. Go ahead and click on that. Now you should see an option to add a wallet. Click on it, and if you need help connecting your wallet, we do have exclusive videos on this topic on our YouTube channel. For this video, I'm going to use my Electrum wallet and show you. Now, once you've added the information, just click on create wallet and you're good to go. Your wallet is added. Head over to Blockonomics dashboard and click on buttons and links. Under payment method and under available wallets, toggle that button on just the way I did and select the destination wallet. There you go. We've just linked the wallet. Right, let's move on. In the buttons and links section, click on products tab. Then hit add a product. For example, let's say I'm adding a solid black t-shirt, just the way I did, and I'll set a price at $2.99. Now let's set up confirmation email that your customers will receive. Next step, we are going to customize the customer fields. Is going to be displayed on the payment page. Click on save changes and that's it. You just set up a product. Now open the product you created and click on generate URL. Then copy that URL, then head over to your Go site. Once you're there, click the plus button and then choose the product. Now go ahead and add the product image, title and description. Yep, I'm done. Simple, right? Now click on the holder. Once you click on the pen button, you'll be able to choose the button option, button URL, paste the link you copied from your Blockonomics product settings. Once you've done that, click update and your site is now updated. First up, I'm going to add the required information right there, and I'm going to click pay with Bitcoin button, and there it is. It gives me the Bitcoin address and the amount that has to be sent. Now let's go ahead to Blockonomics dashboard. To your left, you should be able to find log or test bench. Under the store, click on that and you'll be able to see the drop-down menu. Go ahead and choose Blockonomics button. Paste the Bitcoin address and the amount that I saw it on the payment page. Be sure to mark the payment status as confirmed, then hit send test payment. There you go, that got executed. Now let's head back to the payment page. Let's see the confirmation message that is going to be displayed over there. There you go, we can see that. Now as a site owner, you'll find all the details in your Blockonomics dashboard under buttons and links in the orders tab. And there you go, you got all that information right there. That's all there is to it. If you got any question, feel free to drop us a line. We are very happy to help. Thank you.